If you've ever wondered how to move your files seamlessly between iCloud Drive and OneDrive, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the most reliable way to transfer even large amounts of data between these two popular cloud services without losing track of anything important. Whether you're switching platforms, backing up key documents, or just trying to keep your digital life organized, I'm going to walk you through every essential step so you can do it with confidence. Let's get started right at your computer. This method works on both Windows and Mac, and it relies on using both of the official sync apps from Apple and Microsoft. The reason we use these desktop apps instead of the web versions is that they handle large numbers of files much more smoothly, and you're less likely to run into upload limits or annoying browser timeouts. So before anything else, make sure you have iCloud for Windows installed. If you're on Windows, or if you're on a Mac, your iCloud drive should already be built in. For OneDrive, download and install the official Microsoft OneDrive app if you haven't already. After installing, sign into both apps with your Apple ID and Microsoft account details. This ensures you have full access to your cloud storage directly inside your computer's file system. Now, with both apps up and running, open two side-by-side windows. If you're on Windows, use File Explorer. If you're on a Mac, use Finder. In one window, navigate to your iCloud drive. This is where all your files from Apple's cloud live. In the other window, open your OneDrive folder. Having both windows side by side makes it much easier to compare and manage your files, kind of like organizing papers between two folders on your desk. Here comes the actual transfer. To move files, just select the items in your iCloud Drive window. These could be photos, documents, or even whole folders. Click and drag them over into your OneDrive window. It's really that simple, and you'll even see the progress as the files start to move over. If you only want a copy so your files stay in both places, use copy and paste instead of drag and drop. This small detail is important. Dragging and dropping will remove the files from iCloud and place them in OneDrive, kind of like physically taking a document out of one binder and putting it into another. Copying and pasting, on the other hand, just gives you duplicates, one in each service. After moving your files, don't rush to close your windows or shut down your computer just yet. Both iCloud Drive and OneDrive work by syncing changes to the cloud. This means there might be a short wait as your files get uploaded or downloaded in the background. Keep an eye on the status icons. On Windows, you'll see blue clouds, syncing symbols, or little green check marks. On a Mac, it's much the same. Wait until you see the green check, which means your files are fully uploaded and safe in OneDrive. Depending on how much you moved, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes or more, so don't worry if you need a little patience here. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your files between iCloud Drive and OneDrive using the most efficient and reliable technique available. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, just leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tutorials to take the stress out of your tech tasks. Thanks for watching.